Okay, so this is a very short video. Just a little trick. These are beautiful wind chimes and enjoy them immensely. However, when it gets windy, they can be quite noisy. Can you hear that? And sometimes we don't want to hear them. So we've been trying to think of a way to do a simple fix on this, and here's the simple fix. So what we need to do is put something here with the clapper, that's what that's called, so that it doesn't make that noise, but that it's easy to put on and off and doesn't look horrible. And so here's the trick, is a couple of pieces of packing foam. Oops, gotta get out of the shadows there. That are the same size. It just came out of a package we got. I draw a circle that's about the size of the clapper on it. I'm gonna cut outside that circle. And I put 2 slots in them. You can see, whoops, you can see the slots there and there that take it to the middle. And then I'm gonna, when you slide them on, you slide them over the string here on the slot, and you rotate that, and it locks it into place. And if you want to take them off, you just rotate it, pull them off. So here they are, and here's how they go on. Put it in here like this, slide it on there, slide this one this way, put them back in there. Now they can bang against each other, but the clapper is no longer going to make them. Hear it? So it's quiet now. And when the wind blows, it won't blow them off of there. So, nice simple fix if you have one that you need to quiet for a little while, and then take it off when you want the nice gentle sounds of the chimes. Now, I'll show you another trick is, what do you do with these when you take them off? Well, you just take them and put them up here in the middle of this thing. I don't know if you can see what I just did. Oops, no, you can't see what I just did. Here, I looked it up here so you can see. So I just store them up there. I'll paint them black so that they're kind of blend in with the thing. And then when we need them, we'll just put them down there. All right. Thanks for watching. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. So here's our little foam guys painted black. And again, they just slip in there. And all of a sudden, clap off. Now, yes, they can bang into each other this way, but that's not as big a problem. All right, so that's that project done. And by the way, there's the other one. We can put it on there, but call it quits on this, and we'll say that was project done. And clap off at this point. And then, here we go, clap on. We'll just store them up there. All right, well, again, thanks for watching, and good luck with your wind chimes. Clap on and clap off. Be sure to like and subscribe down there. Thanks, bye.